Everything working out as we planned, Bratans. We brought out of our ascending broadening wedge. The technical price tag is 45k. However, we are hitting at 44,200 resistance. But right now we're hitting already some resistance line. I want to speak about this today. And we have a clear green market. We have SATS 23% up, SUI 20% up, ACT 30% up, Beam 4% up. So it looks amazing. We'll speak later about it, but first let us speak which resistance we are hitting here. Why Bitcoin is not moving to the upside. And the big resistance is here the daily moving average, daily 20 moving average. As you see it here, we're trying to break it, but not only daily 20 moving average, but also this blue 5 months resistance line, which is since October, which we have here since October, this blue line. And right now it acts as support line. Right now it's a resistance line. In case we are breaking this daily 20 moving average and this blue line to the upside, then the way is free for us to go to 44,200, which is the next big resistance line. Why is it the big resistance line? If I'm opening a VRVP, you see here a lot of volume is coming in at 44,200. You see here a huge volume is coming at 44,200. So it could be, in case we are breaking this daily 20 moving average, we could still see a pump of 6% to the upside. And I am also still in my long position, as you see it here. My Bitcoin is right now position is $3,000 in profits, my FXS is $16,000 in profits, and here my other trades, eGold is right now $4,600 in profits, and my FXS is on Binance is $400 in profits. So on Bybit I'm in much more profits because I have a higher leverage. But about this we will speak a little bit later in this video. Let us quickly watch again on the big picture right now, because this is very interesting. We see here, we had this before already in March. You see here this wick which clearly indicates us that the bulls are winning against the bears. You see it here, this wick, which I mean, and we are about to close a weekly candle in one day, which will indicate a huge bullish candle. We had the same in March here happened, and as we closed this bullish candle, we saw since then a pump of over 122%. I don't expect that we are going over 122%. It would mean Bitcoin would go to $93,000. It would be amazing. I don't expect that. I expecting that we will hit our resistance at $62,000 as soon as we're breaking 44,200. So right now there's to go around 6% to 44,200. And in case we are going to 62k, it would mean we would see a pump of over 50% approximately. So I stay in my long positions. Our pump perfectly worked out because we had here this, where it was, we had here this green dots on the daily. Wait a minute, here I show you. On the daily, we had this green dot which clearly indicate us a pump, so expecting further pump to the upside to 44,200. This way I will take some profits, and let us move further. We see here Bitcoin dominance chart right now, and on Bitcoin dominance chart we broke above our resistance 52%, so it means we are heading straight forward to our next big resistance 54%. It means Bitcoin against all the other altcoins, so it means we will see Bitcoin outperforming altcoins in the next hours and days. I expecting further pump. Also on the total crypto market cap, we are heading to our resistance at $1.6 trillion, 6% approximately in the total crypto market cap. In case we see the 6% pump on total crypto market cap, it means over 10 billion would flow into the crypto market, which would mean not only Bitcoin would explode but also altcoins. But another chart which I want to show you is ETH versus Bitcoin chart, and a lot of people forgetting about this chart because it means how is Ethereum performing against Bitcoin. We are here in this symmetrical triangle, and you see it getting more and more squeezed. The more we're getting squeezed, the bigger will be the outbreak, either to the downside or upside. In case it breaks to the upside, it means ETH would outperform Bitcoin. In case it breaks to the downside, it would mean Bitcoin would outperform Ethereum. However, it means even more, because not only that Ethereum would outperform Bitcoin in case we break it to the upside, but also altcoins would start. It would be like a crazy altcoin season, but a crazy one. So why we see also pump, Bratans? We see also pump because Grayscale GBTCs, Zuckerberg. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has outflow on the 11th day only of 255 million. You know, in the last days we covered this already. They had in the last days over 500, 600 million daily, but now it's over. And why it's decreasing over the past 11 days? Because 1 billion of the selling in GBTC was the FTX liquidators. Probably the buying pressure of the Bitcoin ETF will be now higher than the selling pressure from the GBTC. It means pump. So obviously, in case we see right now the ETFs have a buying pressure of around 500, 600 million per day, and increase in case GBTC's selling pressure will be only 250 million, we will see further pump of Bitcoin to the upside. So this looks very bullish right now. Well, let's see what Monday brings us, but this looks extremely bullish right now. And what I want to share with you else, wait a minute, I want to share with you else now for everyone who don't want to hear about altcoins. You can just skip this video, because right now I want to speak about my position on FXS here. For example, my FXS position, which is right now $16,000 in profit. And why I stay in this position? Because we are trying to break here this 20 moving average. You see it here. As soon as we're breaking it to the upside, the next big price target would be, the first one would be here at around $11.60, which would be 14%, and the next one, which we're expecting clearly, is $14.30, which would be 40% pump. Therefore, I still remain in my long position, which would be a profit of around $100,000 in case we are going to $14. Why expecting to $14? Explained in yesterday's video, because they're launching their mainnet next week or the week after, and there's also come big airdrop, and airdrop means people will buy FXS to get the airdrop. So this looks very bullish. Now the other position is eGold long position, which is right now $5,000 in profits. I will hodl also this position, because eGold, again, we are on a big support. This is a 20 and 50 weekly moving average, as you see it here, which we have here support. So this looks extremely solid support. We have only to break above the 20 and 50 daily moving average and above the monthly 20 moving average. You see here this line at around $53, $54. This is a crucial resist line. As soon as we break this line to the upside, the way is free to our next support at resistance $69, the next $82, and the next one would be at $102. So potential 88% long opportunity, which would make my trade very profitable. If we are going to $100, this would make my trade here at around wait a minute, where is it here, at around $100,000 again in profit. So this looks amazing. You see here also altcoins look amazing. It looks amazing. I expecting Bitcoin further to pump. We could retest again here this resistance line, the support line from this ascending broadening wedge at 40k. We could go down to 40k and then see again a pump to the upside to 44,200. This could happen, but let's see what the market bring us. I expecting further pump, because we had the pump on the weekend, and weekend pump means usually a pump throughout the weekend. If you also want to jump into a long position or short on Bybit, you get up to $30,000. Link is down below, Bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.